Welcome back to the Shabby Chic Vintage Chicks tips, tricks, and inspiration. Today we're doing a dollar store project with this plastic glass. It's really cool and kind of have like a mother of pearl kind of look to it with all the colors that shimmer through. Now we're going to take some country chic chalk paint here. I think this is called Rustic Charm. It's a beautiful stem green. You're going to love this color for the spring, guys. It is so pretty. So I'm just going to paint the stem of the vase and the, well, not vase, but glass and the base. And then I'm going to use Velvet Touch or Soft Touch finish here. It's done by Pentart. It really does give it like a really soft powdery finish to it. And you're going to want to make sure you go around like past where your green was, because it kind of seals it to the plastic as well too. Not that chalk paint doesn't stick really well to plastic, but I want this to last. Now I'm going to take some tulips that I happen to have got from Michael's quite a while ago, but I have an abundance of them, and I thought I would just cut these apart. Now you could cut each petal out, but I found this works nicely if you just cut the centerpiece out. And I'm doing probably about 1/4 of an inch circle basically cut out of the very center. I'll speed this up for you in just a second because I'm going to do this with 4 of these tulips. So there we are, just trimming out the centers. I think you guys are really going to love this one. I hope you do. So make sure you let me know in the comments if you're liking this. Give it some thumbs up or some hearts. Let me know, guys, because I want to know what you guys love. So we're just going to layer them on now, guys. Just keep stacking them there and wait for it because, oh my gosh, this turned out so pretty. Now I'm going to take some leaves because I just didn't like how it just needed some leaves. I know typically tulips have them more coming up, from the bottom of the stem, and they're a little longer, but I think this actually looks really good. So bear with me here, guys. So I'm just putting a T on these leaves. These were on a garland that I think I got from the dollar store. So just a line across the base of the leaf and a bit going up the stem of the leaf. And there we are. Now check this out. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, here's where it gets even better. So I'm going to drop one of those battery-operated little tea lights in there. And then I've got this bunny that I picked up at the dollar store a few years ago. Check this out. I think this is so gorgeous. Okay, that's not a great image here. Here we go. Sorry, bear with me. But is that not oh so gorgeous? I love this. You can also get little frogs. If you're more into frogs, it would look super cute with a frog because I know I've seen those in the dollar store as well. Bye, guys.